Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Space Decor YouTube channel. So if you love beautiful and smart home design ideas, then please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to like this video and share it with your friend and family. Your support helps us bring more such amazing ideas for your dream home. So today we will talk about beautiful and smart kitchen design. Kitchen is not just a place to cook food, it is a place where we spend a lot of time every day. So it is should be clean, useful and also look nice. In this video you will see many different type of kitchen setup which are made for comfort, beauty and easy use. When you plan your kitchen, always think about how you use it every day. Some people want more space to keep their things, some want a place to sit and eat, some want open shelves to show jars and cups. Every home is different and every person has different needs. In modern kitchen design, we use soft color like cream, white or light grey. These colors make the kitchen look big and peaceful. You can also use wood or marble pattern on wall, on the counter to give a nice and warm feel. If you want your kitchen to look neat and clean, always try to keep less things on the top. Use small boxes or basket to keep things inside the shelves. This will make the kitchen look clean and easy to manage. Nowadays, most people use sliding boxes and door panels in the kitchen. They are very easy to use and also save space. You can keep your plates, glass and spoons in them. You can also keep some tools, cup or food item in this storage place. Lighting is also very important in the kitchen. A well-lit kitchen look bring and makes it easy to work. You can add small lights under the shelves or on the roof. Yellow or white lights both look good, but make sure the lights is not too dark or too bright. These are many style of kitchen you can choose from, like L-shape, U-shape or strength kitchen. If your home has less space, a strength kitchen with open shelves is good. For bigger homes, you can try L-shape or U-shape with more boxes and sitting space. Many people also like to add small plants in the kitchen. It brings a fresh look and also make you feel happy. While cooking, you can keep more small green plants near the window or on a shelf. If you have window in your kitchen, try to let come in natural lights, make the space look bigger and more fresh. You can also use glass window or open grill for better air and lights. In the video, you will also see some simple kitchen setup for small homes. This kitchen use smart idea like folding tables, wall shelves and hanging hooks to save space. These small changes can make your kitchen look more open and neat. Some people also add tiles on the wall which are easy to clean. You can use plain tiles or one with soft design. Do not choose very dark color as they make the kitchen look small. In one of the designs so in this video, the kitchen has a sitting place. Beside it is great for people who want to eat inside the kitchen. The wooden chairs and table add a soft homely feeling. You can also place few jars with sugar, tea, coffee on the counter for quick use. Try to use similar type of jars so they look nice and match with the design. You can also add a small basket to keep fruit or vegetable. In another design, the kitchen has long boxes with where you can keep your cakes, mixer or cooking item. This type of design are good because they make your kitchen safe and easy to use. Do not forget about the chimney or fan in your kitchen. It is important to keep the air clean and fresh. A chimney also helps to remove a smoke when you are cooking. You can also add a soft mat or a small rag near the cooking area. It keeps your feet comfortable while studying and adds beauty to the space. Always use good quality material for your kitchen boxes and counter. It will last long and also look new for years. Clean your kitchen regularly and keep only those things which are needed. Remove extra items from shelves to make safe. We hope you got some nice idea from today's kitchen design. Do not worry, if your kitchen is small, with smart ideas and simple changes you can make your kitchen look better and more useful. If you like this video, please subscribe to Dream Space Decor YouTube channel. Your support means a lot. Also click the bell icon, never miss our latest video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected with the Dream Space Decor for more such lovely home ideas.